How to manage stress naturally, practical and proven strategies. In today's fast-paced world, stress often feels like an unavoidable part of life. From demanding work schedules to family responsibilities and social pressures, stress can build up quickly and silently affect our physical, emotional, and mental health. While there are medications available to manage stress and anxiety, many people prefer to seek natural ways to find relief, methods that align with the body's rhythms and promote overall well-being without unwanted side effects. The good news is that managing stress naturally is not only possible but can be highly effective. In this article, we'll explore a range of evidence-based strategies you can incorporate into your daily life to keep stress under control, enhance resilience, and improve your quality of life.
Understanding stress. The basics. Before jumping into management techniques, it's important to understand what stress actually is. Stress is the body's natural response to perceived threats or challenges. When you encounter a stressful situation, your body activates the fight or flight response, releasing hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These changes prepare you to act quickly but can take a toll on your body if triggered too often or for prolonged periods.
Chronic stress can lead to fatigue, sleep disturbances, digestive issues, headaches, weakened immune function,
increased risk of depression and anxiety. Managing stress naturally involves techniques that lower cortisol levels, calm the nervous system, and promote emotional balance.
1. Prioritize physical activity. Regular exercise is one of the most effective natural stress relievers. It helps reduce stress hormones and increases the production of endorphins, chemicals that act as natural mood elevators. Tips. Aim for 30 minutes of moderate exercise, like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling, at least 5 times a week. Try yoga or Tai Chi, which combine movement with breathing techniques to reduce stress levels. Even short 10-minute walks can make a difference during a hectic day. 2. Practice mindful breathing. Deep, conscious breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps the body relax.
How to do it. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4.
Hold your breath for a count of 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Repeat this cycle for a few minutes. Regular practice can train your body to respond more calmly to stressful situations. 3. Maintain a balanced diet. What you eat affects how you feel. A nutrient-rich diet supports your body in managing stress better. Focus on whole foods, vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts, seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon and flax seeds, which help reduce inflammation and stress. Magnesium-rich foods, like spinach, almonds, and avocado to help relax muscles and nerves. Probiotics, found in yogurt and fermented foods to support gut health, which is linked to mood. Limit excessive caffeine, refined sugars, highly processed foods. 4. Build strong social connections. Humans are social creatures, and having supportive relationships can act as a buffer against stress. Suggestions. Spend time with family and friends regularly. Join a club, class, or group that interests you. Don't hesitate to seek support or share your feelings with someone you trust. Even brief positive interactions can boost oxytocin levels, promoting relaxation. 5. Embrace nature and outdoor activities. Spending time in natural settings can dramatically reduce stress levels. Try hiking in the woods, walking in the park, gardening. Sitting by a body of water. Studies have shown that just 20 minutes in nature can lower cortisol levels and improve mood. 6. Create a relaxing sleep routine. Poor sleep worsens stress, and stress can disrupt sleep, a vicious cycle. Prioritizing good sleep hygiene can naturally reduce stress. Tips for better sleep. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid screens, phones, TVs, tablets, at least an hour before bedtime. Try a bedtime routine that includes reading, stretching, or meditation. 7. Practice meditation and mindfulness. Meditation helps train your brain to focus and redirect thoughts, making it easier to manage stress. How to start. Set aside 5 to 10 minutes daily. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the breath. Mindfulness practices, including mindful walking or eating, also cultivate a present focused awareness that reduces anxiety. 8. Use herbal remedies. Certain herbs have been used traditionally to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Popular options: ashwagandha, an adaptogen that helps regulate cortisol. Chamomile, often consumed as tea for calming effects. Lavender, aromatherapy with lavender essential oil can reduce anxiety. Rhodiola rosea, another adaptogen known to enhance resilience to stress. Important: always consult a healthcare provider before adding herbal supplements to your routine, especially if you take other medications. 9. Journaling for emotional release. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help clear your mind and process emotions. Try gratitude journaling, writing about what you're thankful for. Reflective journaling, exploring challenges and solutions. Free writing, expressing whatever comes to mind. Journaling has been linked to reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety. 10. Laugh and find joy. Laughter really is the best medicine. It releases endorphins, improves mood, and reduces physical tension. Ways to laugh more: watch a funny movie or show. Spend time with people who make you laugh. Try laughter yoga classes. Finding small moments of joy each day can build long-term resilience to stress. Final thoughts. Making it a lifestyle. Managing stress naturally is not about adopting a single technique. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that supports mental, physical, and emotional health. By combining healthy habits, like regular exercise, good nutrition, mindfulness, and strong social support, you can build a solid foundation for long-term stress management. Remember, everyone's journey is unique. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 changes that feel manageable for you, and build from there. Over time, these small steps can lead to profound transformations in how you feel, think, and respond to life's inevitable challenges. Your body and mind are resilient. You just need to give them the right tools to thrive naturally.